So let's get into some brows while I am melting down this wig. This is how I always do when I'm putting on my wigs. I put my wig on first and then makeup last. This is what I do and how I do. But these are my brows. I use a little razor to clean it up. I just put some Vaseline on there and I just... And my brow routine is pretty much the same. I will be using elf brow lift, and she just about gone. That's all I got. Choosing my brow pencils for the day, it just really just depends on what kind of hair I'm wearing. This is a darker unit, so I want to stick with something that's a little darker. And if I was to do something brown, like y'all saw me with the brown unit on the other day, I did simmabrown. But this time I'm gonna use Pretty and Mink. The writing is worn completely off, and the tops is just completely busted, but it still works. So Pretty and Mink, elf brow lift, and we're gonna do my little spoolie. This is from elf as well. I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm gonna dip some product in to just kind of form my brows so I could see how to trace them. I'm used to it now, so it should not take too long. Just gonna kind of feather it up like this and not feather it. And I'm gonna do the other side too. I don't spend a lot of time on my makeup normally, because most of the time I'm just trying to get some good pictures in, and I'm gonna end up taking it off 30 minutes later. But I like to trace at the bottom, start at the bottom, outline it. That, and then we're gonna go up top like that, and I'm gonna go in with the concealer and clean up everything, yada yada. And I'm gonna fill in. I'm barely touching this brow, just putting a little product on it, and I'm shading like that. And I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and brush it up like that. I'm gonna fix that with some concealer, and I'm just getting it how I want it. And when I get that look that I'm going for, then stop and proceed on to the other brow. I already got me a Q-tip to clean up this top like that. And I don't worry about my brows being perfect at all, so I just need it to look decent. And I'm gonna go on with this other side and do that. Brows are done. Now onto the concealer. Wet n Wild. I always use Wet n Wild. I always mix my colors up to outline my brow. Color is medium tawny and light medium beige. Okay. Come on, namesake. And I'm gonna get a brush. Yeah, just get like a little brush. Just mix it. Typically, I will mix on the back of my arm. I just like a paper towel. It just depends. I'm just gonna mix on the back of my arm. And I'm gonna clean it up. Make my brows pop. Bop. I do not know the last time I did a brow tutorial. So let me get on here and do it. Now I'm gonna clean up my brows. Let's see, where is my brush? This is it. This is a Wet n Wild brush. And I'm about to go put on my makeup and get cute. And I will show y'all the final ending results.